Welcome back. CM Parsikar seems unhappy with the fitness of police and the formation of the ATS. He has warned policemen who are unfit in the department to undergo training at Valpoi Police Training School. He said police needed to be alert and fit. Parsikar further said ATS squad needs to consist of young police personnel. A physical fitness test was held at Altheen on Friday. Chief Minister said this test will be compulsory for policemen.
Police physical training test was held at Altino on Friday. Here is the anti-terror squad in Goa.
But to make it more effective and functioning, I believe the age group needs to be reduced. 30 वर्षाचे 30-32 वर्षाचे भितर 35 वर्षापर्यंत काही जण असलेले जे नवीन पुलिशेंत भरती जाता पीसीज भरती जाता तांकां ह्या कामात एनरोल करूंक जाय असाइन करूंक जाय अशें म्हाका दिसता.
CM has warned the unfit policemen in the department.
Police personnel will have to undergo fitness test. It would be compulsory, and if he doesn't pass the same, he doesn't clear, he'll have to undergo some training in the police training center at Valpoi.
Nawaz Sheikh for Prudent.
Kurturi MLA Alex Reginald Lawrence has served a month's ultimatum to PWD to solve water woes in Raya and Kurturi areas. Also, locals alleged that they received huge amount of water bills. They have demanded immediate release of water and rectify errors in bills or else have threatened to protest.
लोका त्रास जाता लोका एक होता उदो ना हेची मातशी प्रॉब्लेम जाता आता लास्ट अल्टिमेटम आई एम गिविंग PWD Sudakpana within 1 month we will come on the road and we will teach the PWD a lesson where public interest think Delhi Kejriwal jogota light and udo soy diye mun inga ami jogon nai udo ani light soy di mun ami jogote amge right at loka bari ke ko necessity ha और BJP government necessity ha di mun uskachi ani lightichi.
Dempo Cricket Club will be aiming to win the Goa Professional League 2020 title for a record third consecutive time. Dempo have been the most dominant team in GPL T20 history, having made it to the finals on 4 successive occasions. Dempo Group Chairman Srinivas Dempo is excited about the prospect of achieving the hat-trick of titles. According to him, the GPL can become even better competition if it is conducted on a city-based home and away format like the IPL and ISL. Meanwhile, the opening ceremony of GPL Season 6 was held at Purvering Ground on Saturday evening.
You know, this is a very crucial year for us because we've had 2 successive victories and I think we are very, very excited. My boys who run the team and the coach says that, you know, third time is always a lucky time, so we are all expecting to win. And of course, the pressure is very high on winning because you know that there are new teams which are formed and everybody is going to rejuvenate and you can't take anything lightly, but our strong wish list and desire is that we should win this year. I personally believe in teamwork. I think all 4 years I think we have the same coach. That is number one. I personally believe that the coach has a lot to do with keeping the team together, motivating, you know, getting in discipline, getting in commitment, hard work from the players. And this is the first year I think we are going to have a brand new team in the sense that none of the old players who played last year are continuing, and that makes it even more fun and exciting to see how the team will vibe together. But if you see the spirit, if the spirit is one and if you know everybody looks at not only winning but playing well together, and as you rightly said, it's you know either it's been reaching the finals or it's been winning. So that's been a great achievement, and I think we look forward to the same sort of philosophy continuing. There are many cricket enthusiasts in Goa which look forward to this particular league, and in some sense they don't have any competition within the state anywhere else. There may be IPL which people watch on TV, and very few go actually make an effort to go and watch it on outside. But the fact remains that you know you have your own teams within the Goa League for the cricket, which makes it very exciting. And I would rather say that it would be even more exciting, the idea that I had thrown, that if you really make it a Vasco, Panji, Madgaon or Ponda or whatever it is, city based, because we've seen that actually works a lot.
Ladies and gentlemen, the GPL 2020 trophy. These are the teams that are going to battle it out for the GPL 2015 trophy. Ladies and gentlemen, you need to motivate them. Put your hands together louder this time for the teams on stage.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.